calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Hi, this is your girl Dance Doctor. Today's tutorial is basically this dance. I want to mention that I made this dance a tutorial. Now, this dance might look quite difficult and also simple at the same time, but that depends on how good you are with Igbo dances. Now, let me give you some hints. Now, before you come to this tutorial, make sure you go watch my Ogene dance tutorial. Watch it and practice it and get that step before you come back to this tutorial. Also go and look at one of my dance videos where I display this type of dance and see how I did it. See, we want it to be easy as we are learning it. Okay? Make sure that whatever you're wearing on your body, it's free on your body. Whatever you're wearing from your waist to your knee and your ankle, because you are going to use all these three places. You're going to be using your waist, your knees, and your ankle. Because if they are not free on your body, you'll be able to move those parts. I think you're not getting the dance, but then it's because those clothing are tight on your body and they're not making you move those parts of your body. Okay, please and please try not to use one finger. Try not to use two fingers. Make sure you use your 5 fingers, the 5 of them on the floor, just like this. As if you are gripping something, just like this. As if you are gripping something. That's how you're going to use it so that you get your balance. Because it can happen, the markets are being able to happen. You can break your finger and break your fingers. So try and use this 5 so that you get your balance. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. You're not going to keep your legs like this. You're going to open it wide. Keep your legs wide. You bend from your waist, bend from your knees. Okay? Put your hand on floor between your 2 legs. Open your legs. Okay, like this, not too wide, not long. Go like this, bend from your waist, a little, from your knees, right? Then put your hand in between your 2 legs, just a little above your legs. Here. So you put here. Okay? So the next thing you need to do is just Ogene I taught you. When you put your hands here, you raise your heels up. Okay? You bring it down. You raise it up. You bring it down. So you're going to be moving from your waist, from your knees, and also your toe. So I'm going to count 4 from front, then on the side, and the back. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how simple it is.